This video will show you how to print, email, and export your documents. In the example of proposals and documents, when you add a new proposal, after tagging your item, at the bottom of the window you will see an area for a printer selection. Be sure to select the proper printer you wish to print to. In order to see a preview of the document, check that the third button for Print to Printer when depressed is not grayed out. Then select OK. To print the document to actual paper, select the printer icon in the top left-hand corner. Then select OK. To email the document, select the envelope icon in the top left-hand corner and select OK. Enter any email addresses, subjects, or messages, then select Send. To export the document, select the same envelope icon and choose the Export option, then OK. Browse to where you wish to save the file. Enter a file name and select the Save As type that you wish the file to be formatted in. Then select Save. These same options are available when choosing to reprint a document. Just highlight the document, choose Reprint, select the proper printer, and click OK. You can also go right to emailing a document from the reprint window by selecting the email option, then OK. To review more tutorials and search our knowledge base articles, please visit our Help Center under the Support menu of DesignManager.com.